Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, or share the page, and also follow it if you haven't yet done so. Guys, it seems like Mkhulu Romeo, who was best friends with Gogo Skhotheni, has also turned on her and had a fallout with her as he went onto Facebook and basically dragged Skhotheni to filth. He called her out for being a sellout of a sangoma who's only out there to make money no matter at what cost, you guys. This is what he said. Being a sellout of ubungoma does not make a person successful. I've turned down several TV shows offer. Fame doesn't equate to money. You're just a popular face. Do you honestly think no one wants me on TV? They know very well I would shake things up. It's just that I am not a sellout. 70% of sangomas are fake because you wear their govelas. Our ancestors didn't die for this SIT that we're seeing on podcast and on TV. I cancel all interviews because I'm not going to sit on a podcast or a TV show talking about nonsense about Ubungoma. Our ancestors did not die for that nonsense. Watch the space. All of you trying to tarnish the name of our ancestors are going to lose all your riches. Here's a prophecy. When you had a chance to change the world, you saw it fit to talk about sex positions and witchcraft to gain popularity doing stupid shit. Here's a question. Which muti increases serotonin in the brains of depressed twasses? Cho McGee won't ask you that. He will talk about smashing. Well, there you have it, guys. Please do share your thoughts with me in the comment section. Also, like, share, subscribe, or follow the page if you haven't yet done so that you do not miss out whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching this one. Bye.